Thank you, Riza madam, and good afternoon and namaste.
Please down.
Pardon?
Please down. Yes,
About myself, namaste. My name is Devi Chaudhary.
Excuse me, can we use this one?
Yeah, she can use that.
So this, everybody can hear.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
How to? Okay, thanks. Yeah.
My name is Devi Chaudhary. I am 20 years old. I am from Family Planning Association of Nepal, Bardia branch. I am a youth volunteer. I have been involved in the youth-related activities since last 6 years. I am from Tharu community, which is an underprivileged ethnic group. My community used to be a bonded labor. The government of Nepal has declared free the bonded labor practice, but still we are struggling for our living. I was very fortunate that my parents worked hard to educate me. My parents run a small tea shop. I and my brother support them in our free time. I come to know about F1 through my friends and become members of peer groups in 2006. With my peers.
Yeah, she's Devi.
My role and experiences. Every Saturday we gather in the branch office of MPRC to talk and discuss about life skill, sexual reproductive health, HIV, family planning, gender-based violence, abortion, girls trafficking, early marriage and old age problems. We go to the school to arrange an integrated SRS and conservation to students of 8, 9 and 10 classes. We, along with branch manager and other senior volunteers, go to schools to coordinate with the school principal to run these classes. Sometimes it is difficult to coordinate with the private schools. We run orientation classes for the young people who don't go to the schools. We gather young people in the tree shade or common place. Lots of young girls come to the classes. We talk about menstruation, clean and hygienic home, pet sanitary towel, child marriage, unsafe sexual behavior, etc. In plantation. We also do plantation. We planted trees in the bank of the river called Orai. After 52 days of the plantation, the elephant came to give birth to its the baby. We were very happy. We also support during mobile health camp. We spread messages in the community about the camp. Lot of young people come with their problems, while some visit just to take information. We organize clients, give water and arrange other facilities and help the service providers. We also perform street dramas to raise awareness on SRS and biodiversity conservation, which is very popular. Some of our friends write script on issues of SRS and conservation. Some of us are good in acting and others support during the program. We conduct meeting with the new youth group. We encourage them to come to the MPRC Youth Information Centers. We play game, read books which provide SRS and conservation information. Game material with SRS messages.
This is the training and takes up another one.
We go to the district hospital for the voluntary work. Each time 3 of us go there. Some of our friends are working in clinic and enter also. We go to Oman groups to give orientation on nutrition, sexually transmitted infections, family planning, HIV, safe motherhood, health and hygiene. We also talk about vaccine for the children. We had the training on menstruation hygiene and making sanitary pads. Now we orientate other young girls in Oman on making homemade reusable sanitary pads. We got training on biodiversity and climate change. Now we also discuss about it in our community and peers. peer groups also. Benefits of integration. Young people are giving the information and education of SRS, biodiversity and conservation in the community and change people perceptions towards it. We are raising awareness in the corridor on consequences of early marriage, family planning services and abortion services, etc. We are now aware of the importance of plantation, saving water sources and conservation. We are also involved anti-poaching activities. We also clean ponds and ask people not to throw wastage in ponds. We enjoy participating in the activities of SRS and conservation. Training for young people.
This is the integrated training.
Integrating peer team. There is benefits of integration. There is positive change in the behavior of young people. We are able to work so closely in this issue because of the supportive guidance for branch manager, supervisor and members of CFUG, Community Forest Future Group. State drama is challenges. The issue of conservation are very interesting, but it was new for us. It is sometimes challenging to make our voice heard. Sometimes it is difficult to manage time for the meeting and work due to household work and studies. Future aspect. My life has changed. I was a shy girl, being a peer educator then youth volunteer. Working in SRS and conservation has enriched my knowledge. I can now talk on this issue openly. I will always encourage other young people to work in this field. So I think that involvement of young people, especially girls, should be continued in population health and environment. I could like to thank you people of Finland, WWF Finland, Pistolito, WWF Nepal and F1 for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much.
My experiences on population health and environment project in Basanta Corridor, Kailali districts. Namaste, I am Ramu Ram Chaudhary. I am a resident of biodiversity rich and encouragement sensitive area of Basanta Corridor, Kailali district. I am from Tharu ethnic community and come from very poor family. We are 7 siblings, 4 sisters and 3 sons. Our dependency on natural resource for our daily life was very high. I got married at the age of 20 years. I have 2 children. In my village, young people usually at the age of 18 get married. About myself, many young people in my village go to India for seasonal work. There are around 40 youth from my village who has gone to India to work. I was also about to go, but my parents got me back right from the bus station. Luckily, I got opportunity to work as secretary in my community forest user group. I always wanted to work for the cause of conservation. Later, I also worked as a chairperson for my community forest user group and facilitator for different trainings. Basanta Corridor in Tri-Arc landscape. This was okay. My experiences, secretary in local level community forest user group 3 years, chairperson in community forest user group 6 years, secretary in community forest coordination committee CFCC Basanta 4 years, office in charge in CFCC Basanta since last 3 years, facilitator of different trainings, support in preparation of community forest operational plan, support project planning, implementation, and monitoring. Field photos. My role is Youth in Basanta Corridor, facilitation for formation of community-based anti-poaching unit in 52 community forestry user group. Each unit consists of 5 to 15 youth members. Conduct anti-poaching operation at less on once a month. Seize the timber and hand over to Basanta Range Post, which is a government local body. Youth of CBAPOs with support from District Forest Office and local people evicted encroachment and the area was handed over to 26 community forests. Facilitation in training and monthly meeting of CBAPOs and forest watchmen. Benefits of the interrogation. Population health and environment project was incited in Basanta Corridor in October 2008 and attend all the program of PHE and learn that population health and environment are complementary to each other. In January 2011, the fish supported PHE project was implemented, which was modified to be more youth focused. This project, with support from Family Planning Association, Nepal, established a youth information center and youth-friendly clinic in Basanta Corridor. Now the youth of Basanta Corridor are learning biodiversity conservation and SRS. My role as youth in PHE, facilitate training of female community health volunteers of biodiversity conservation. As a facilitator, conduct monthly meeting of peer educator of are developed for conducting behavior change communication class, monitor their work and collect the report. Educate youth in Youth Information Center on family planning, safe motherhood, safe abortion, SRH of youth, biodiversity conservation, protection of corridor, governance, gender and social inclusion, etc. Monitoring of non-formal education class. Challenges. There was reluctance from sub-health post in the beginning, a hesitation in the community to talk about SRH, less participant in BCC class, lot of superstition. Changes happening in Basanta Corridor, use of family planning device of increased. Women do regular pregnancy test, delivery in birthing center. Most of the couple want only 1 or 2 children, aside by sub-health post in charge. Youth take about SRS without hesitation. Youth of CBAPOs and Youth Information Center jointly conduct biodiversity conservation and SRS activities such as plantation, community-based anti-poaching operational, awareness campaigns such as International Women Day, Environment Day, AIDS Day celebration. Women are in decision-making position, for example, in secretary in chairperson position. I would like to thank you, Finland, for giving me this opportunity to share my experience. Thank you.